The iPhone SE, Apple's compact powerhouse, stands as a testament to the company's commitment to offering high-performance devices in a smaller form factor. Released in April 2020, the second-generation iPhone SE quickly garnered attention for its blend of affordability, familiar design, and robust features. Let's delve into what makes this device a compelling option for smartphone users. Design and display. At first glance, the iPhone SE resembles the iPhone 8, featuring a 4.7-inch Retina HD display with True Tone technology. While many smartphones today boast larger screens, the iPhone SE's compact size appeals to those who prefer one-handed usage and easy pocketability. The design retains the iconic home button, which also serves as Touch ID for secure authentication. Performance. Under the hood, the iPhone SE packs a punch with the same A13 Bionic chip found in the iPhone 11 series. This chipset ensures smooth performance, whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or multitasking. The A13 chip not only delivers impressive speed, but also enhances the device's longevity, ensuring it remains relevant for years to come. Camera system. While the iPhone SE features a single 12-megapixel rear camera, it leverages Apple's advanced computational photography capabilities to capture stunning images. The camera supports features such as portrait mode, portrait lighting, and depth control, allowing users to achieve professional-looking results with ease. Additionally, the iPhone SE can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second, further enhancing its appeal to content creators. Battery life and charging. Despite its compact size, the iPhone SE offers respectable battery life, thanks in part to the efficiency of the A13 chip. While heavy usage may require a midday top-up, most users will find the battery sufficient for a full day of moderate use. The device supports fast charging, allowing users to recharge to 50% in just 30 minutes with an appropriate charger. Software and ecosystem. As with all Apple devices, the iPhone SE benefits from seamless integration with the broader Apple ecosystem. Whether you're using iCloud to sync your data across devices, accessing the App Store for a vast selection of apps, or enjoying the convenience of services like Apple Pay and Apple Music, the iPhone SE offers a cohesive user experience. Value proposition. Priced competitively, the iPhone SE strikes a balance between performance and affordability, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on quality. Its blend of powerful hardware, compact design, and access to Apple's ecosystem makes it a compelling choice for both new smartphone users and those looking to upgrade from older models.